Oh my gosh, dude. You will not believe what I see right now. I finally found one. And it's smaller than I thought. It's crazy, it just has so many cameras. And I can't really tell if it's like a Roomba and it just like bumps into stuff and turns. I don't know, it seems like it's in the middle of the sidewalk, at least. And then the package must just go right in there. I think these ones are still testing because they don't really seem to be dropping anything off. They're just kind of driving around. There's like a handful of them along this busy stretch of road, and they're kind of spread out pretty far actually. And then I saw an Amazon van way down the road. So they must be able to navigate on their own. Look, there he goes. They are definitely not very fast, but it sure is cool to see one in person. Been trying to find one to take a video of, so I finally found one. So yeah, thanks for watching. See ya. That one's stuck. Oh my gosh, and there's a van.